days away because it's Tuesday night. So you got Wednesday, Thursday, so 2 whole days. So it ends on Thursday. So right now until Thursday, it's only $79 with free shipping. So it's a really great deal. And I shared a video on my wall that talked about the math behind the really great deal. And it comes down to like, it was $4 and something per item that you get in the kit. So I just wanted to show you really quick. This is the box that I have at my shows. It says, "Welcome friends." I know it's backwards, sorry. So I've been setting this up at my craft shows to show some of the great items. These are not exactly what you will get in your kit. This is a representation of it. Some of them are going to be exactly the same, but some of them are not. I'm just showing it to you so you get an idea of what's included. First, I want to show you my hairstyle today though. Usually when I do a full twist, I use a size medium hair clip. So today I have my hair in a ponytail with a small clip, and I wanted to get the hair all the way up off my neck because we got over 70 degrees today and I just wanted my hair up again. So, but all I had on me was the small. So I did a twist without the tails tucked in. I left the tails hanging out. So now it kind of looks like a high ponytail. So and it goes over to the side so I can still see the clip. So I just wanted to show you all that real quick. There you have it. That is my twist with the small. Okay, so now on to the kit. One thing that you'll get in the kit is a mini clip. It's not this mini clip. You'll get the metals clip. Usually is what they put in the kit. This one is a freestyle, but this gives you an idea of a cute tiny clip that you'll get in your kit. And I'm going to be putting them in a jar over to the side as I show you. You get the bow clip, and this one is black nickel, but the one that comes in the kit is a silver one. So that's close. You also get one of my favorites, violet, in a size medium. That's what this one is. You also get these beautiful dogwood, hang on, sorry. Yeah, beautiful dogwood clips. Let me find my camera. So they're just so pretty. These are the U-pins. So you get a set of the dogwood U-pins, and you also get the matching flexi clip in a size large. So that comes in the kit. We have in the kit includes several items that are coordinated with each other or matching, like the dogwood clip and pins, so that you can see how to play with things together and make some hairstyles that mix and match together and make collections and stuff. So here's another group. You will get a Celtic knot in, I think you get the Celtic knot in a size small. That's what this one is. And you're also going to get the Celtic knot U-pins. So, see, standard length U-pins. Speaking of U-pins, you're going to get one of the large geometric U-pins. And this one is the rose gold triangle. I have seen pictures. Sometimes it's the triangle, sometimes it's the one that's got the circle at the end. But you're going to get one of the large pins in your kit. And you're going to get pair of bobbies. And I don't know which pair of bobbies it's in the kit, but they're all beautiful. So let me put that in there. And then, let's see, you're going to get a camel, dark camel leather 8 with the standard hair stick that comes with it. You're also going to get another hair stick. I'm not sure if it's this exact hair stick, but it is a neutral, natural elements hair stick like this. And the cool thing about this is that you can switch it out, and that can be used in your leather clip as well, and it looks really pretty. So those are going in my jar. And along with the natural colored products, you get this Riley headband, which is like they're all attached together. This is one piece. It's 3 braided leather, kind of like suede leather pieces on this headband. So while I'm thinking headbands, you also get the turquoise tranquility headband. And these headbands, y'all, these headbands are worth $24 each. So in just the 2 headbands, your kit is $48. And right now it's on sale for $78. So, and they come with the adjustable elastic. Let me put that in my jar. And as I mentioned, to mix and match the items that come with it, the Southwest has little turquoise accents. So that can go in a half up with the headband or a twist. And you can do all sorts of cute styles together. Or you can use the leather, the other braided leather that comes with the kit. The braided leather and the stick, the standard stick comes with it. This one's called Nina. That comes with it. Or you can use the headband with your gorgeous tawny clip that comes with it. This one is just knockout gorgeous. Okay, and then another knockout gorgeous clip in the kit is the Colors on Parade. So this one has been wildly popular ever since it first came out a few years ago. It was a Flexi of the Month. And now it's been so popular that it's made its way into our stylist kit. So let's see, there may be a couple more products that I don't have in my box, but I think that's most of it. The kit also comes with business supplies. Like this is the Flexi Clip style sheet that I give out with all of my orders. If you've shopped with me at a craft show, you've gotten one of these in your bag. It shows the easy hairstyle and demonstrations in the brochure. It also talks about how to clean the finish on your clip, and it explains our sizing guarantee. Has a little bit of information about hosting on the back. And then there's our opportunity brochure that comes in the kit also. It talks about more information about hosting parties and the stylist opportunity. You also get order forms to fill out when you sell products, and you get catalogs and another smaller brochure that we call Lila Looks comes in the kit also. These are just things that you can pass out and share your business with people. It's got a place on the back where you can mark what size. If you size somebody, you can mark that down for them so when they get home they can remember. So that's just a sampling of what's in the kit. So you can, I know this is backwards, but you can be your own CEO. Lila Rose always offers a free website. We have no monthly or quarterly minimums. The only thing you have to buy to stay active or sell to stay active is $29 within a year. I mean, if you're buying yourself a couple of clips, you're active. So, are you the next Lila Rose stylist? If you have any questions, I would love to talk to you about that. The name of my team is the Shining Stars, and we would love to welcome you to our Shining Stars team. Thanks. Bye.